Then they go school. That is high. And this kind of thing. So, and they are proud. That's why she was saying, my car. My car. Until everywhere comes second. According to news where I hear, let's say the boy and the boy papa will be now they can't find out say yeah me agbalovi and be right. Wickedness of the highest order. Then you can't get the boldness. When you know say me, I know the story. You can't get the boldness. Come social media. When they say she was dating my ex, Izzy manipulated her, Izzy made it stand because you want to come vindicate yourself, saying that you be the saint for inside, and you be angel Nakademus. And you be the angel. Izzy made her to do it. You look that girl like who they push. And you know say na lie, say they know they fit push her. Because you know why they feel say they push her? Because this actual person so. Amen. Let me just leave it at that. I just tired. My sister, everything na easy. Person date your ex na easy na concern. Not be your ex go toast her. If your ex not toast her, she go date her. I use a brain. I don't know what is wrong with you. Please, I think she needs to see a doctor. She needs it. She needs it so badly. She needs to see a doctor. I'm a manipulative person. Those of you are just coming, welcome to our live stream. We're just here to laugh.
To the extent how this useless Izzy manipulated Sharon to go and date my own ex. Here is your way. Now you tell Sharon say me go ahead, everybody. How can you make that?
Mama, she not there again.
Okay, God is saying so low to go date then her enemy ex-boyfriend. Only or not there okay. Because Izzy is so backward, Izzy allowed it to stand. Izzy allowed it to stand. I kept my cool. I didn't say a word. When they did that video about me,
why?
Who they block?
May they not block her. Oh. May they not block. They block the woman. Is he a manipulator? How dare you? Who are over here, Sharon? Mame. Ah, bomb Vezia. What bell? Who the hell are you? Who the fuck do you think you are? Izzy? To the.
Who am I? I am the girl that made you print a poster for TikTok live stream. I am that boss that made you design a poster for TikTok live stream. It was not a match. It was not an interview. It was a saga poster. I made you guys do it because I am big. From today, my name is Biggest Izzy. You ask the question, who do you think? Yeah, I'm Izzy. That girl you run to when you had problems with your YouTube, when you were crying like a baby. Oh, my YouTube is crashing. I can't wait for you to call so that you can help me do it. That is easy. Have I ever cried to you for anything before? No. Because you know what? I am contented with what I have. I'm okay. And my eye not big for person thing. I know will see you say you fist bone straight now. I can't go the knack to fist bone straight. I'm okay with who I am. That is easy for you. Maybe all of you were crying that I snatched our angel away from you guys. No, I didn't even know when you guys were friends. But what were you guys thinking? We stay in the same city. Definitely we will be friends. And we do the same job. We will be friends. Thank you so much, just for fun. We will be friends. It is normal logic. If not that your brains are not working. It's not that your brains are not working. It is normal logic. You have a colleague who stay in the same place with you, definitely you'll be friends. When you see once, you see twice, you see thrice, before you know, you become closer. Before you know, you become closer. That is how it was just a natural friendship. Nobody snatched anybody from anybody. In fact, when I was playing with you, they were even laughing at me. Even when the first none of one, they were laughing at me. They said, now they go put together, now they swim. But today I say, I'm begging. I don't know why you're begging. I don't know. That's your cup of tea. That one doesn't concern me. None of my business. It's none of my business. But don't use me to buy. Don't use me as your bet, as your bait. Me. Don't put me in your nonsense. Because I'm not aware when you guys met yourself, how you guys became friends. I was not there. I don't know what transpired amongst you. I don't know what makes you guys. I don't know what made you quarrel. I was not there. The only thing I know is my friend told me, oh, she wanted to use me. She arranged this one for me. Wanted to be producing my movies. It doesn't concern me. If I show you my chart now, my late friend and I, the chart, you'll see say, now she even they fit, now she they tell me, that she they give me gist. I know they know. I know they know. Even when you and Jeff, they kiss for movie, I don't even know. And she even tell me, say, see, oh, I know they know. I don't know. If I show you now, get evidence, he choke. You did my phone. I don't know. That means you still don't know who I am. Now, someone like Classic Girl and I go fit tell you. I'm a very busy person, no. You see, say today now, because I am free today, I say today now I go do this live stream. Because I'm free. Because I'm free. You get? You guys don't know me. I'm busy. I don't get what they do. How they find something way new. I can not go online because my ego now. When I even know, when I go, they find things, or they learn things, learn new things. If I enter my room now, you see my bottle and paper. I get jot out, they jot things, they learn something. I'm always very busy. Many people they call me when I know they feel peak. Ask your musicians now, they will tell you. Ask your actors, they go call me. Yesterday, one actor called me like 10 times. I don't even feel pick. Different people call me, I not pick. Yesterday, I needed to rest my head. I not pick. I know they feel. I know they quick pick. Even when maybe because me and you not they close. That make you not know easy. You first know say I'm busy now. You yourself you know before. Why you can't the one they turn on like say. Yeah, I'm not a teacher, but I'm a teacher in a way, but I'm not a teacher. You get? I'm a very busy person. My own family for us in Nigeria. Yeah, they don't hear. They don't. Except my mom called them. Now they hear from them. Except my daughter. Now they hear from. We cannot imagine how they get weekly allowance in Noviere because of a saga. A saga I call you. My go near. Thank you. Online opportunities. I did look for them because the real deal now is online. The money, the making money, this thing now is online. Everything is online. You can do courses. You can do some computer courses online. You'll be earning from your house. You don't need to go to work in the morning. Provided you have your red passport, you can fly anywhere. Companies are ready to hire you. You'll be receiving dollars. I even tell my sister classes, I say, get some course. Course is there where you feel study for 3 months, 6 months course. You just study for one. You just learn one program. Study them well. Make sure you get job online. They pay you in dollars or in pounds. You day Italy. They pay you in pounds. Provided you have means of traveling. If you not get visa, if you not get red passport, you go get visa for your passport. So that in case you want to go meeting for UK. Or you want to go meeting for Ireland, you'll fit travel. I'll not be like you. No problem now. Even for Nigeria, you'll fit the work. You'll study. Now that 6 months course where you'll fit do online first. Now go fair be the problem. Once you don't fit do the course online, then you begin to apply for jobs. You can travel around the world. Yes, when you study, you get them. You get them clear. You get money. They do those TikTok live for this TikTok, but if I give her, it can now saga manjo. No worry. Maybe one day if I see them, I will repost and so I'm gonna go watch guys tech. People will get brain. Guys we talk about tech, innovation. How they watch them. People they make big money. Some boys of anywhere. Not be Yahoo that they do. They're not they do Yahoo. So now the men know they do Yahoo. So they receive $6,000, $7,000. Depends. Only say that work, you go there with your computer. You're there inside house there. They go even bring the computer come for you. The company go bring and come for you. Do everything. You go see say that Yahoo that they do. Not be Yahoo. People are receiving money legit. Digital skills. Thank you so much. There's somebody go say, yeah, we now, you know, come on, everybody must not be like bouquet. Everybody must not be like bouquet. There are jobs you can do with your brain that will earn you big money. Just look at you guys and laugh. Those are the kind of live streams we're supposed to be watching, learning things from them. I will invite like 2 or 3 to our live stream one day to come and lecture us. Thank you so much, OJTV. I will try and book. I'll try and book with 2 of my tech friends to come online and lecture us. Tell us how to go about it. But people just sit down and think, say, this one, that one, that one, that one, that one. You can work from home. You see, somebody say, well, I work from home from in the UK. In fact, I don't understand people. Oh, I don't get it, man. Our community sometimes is draining. Like what you hear, it drains you. Like this time, when I heard somebody saying, you're still hustling hard though. Hello, so hustling hard is not the key. Oh, go they do like bouquet. No, you don't want to hustle. That one way they talk say he's still hustling hard because you'll be at home with your laptop. You are not they come up for there. It's taking over. Tech is taking over. Now to go they do something for fabric are good. Yes, it's good. Now all of them are job, but don't think everybody must do fabric. Some people will also do other things to make money. To make money. So people make money in different ways. So don't look at people, oh, this one, that one, that job, story. Tech is taking over. If you have younger ones at home who are not doing anything, let them do a course. Tell them to go to NIT. Did the many courses there, many programming courses there. Let them go and do instead of sitting down at home doing nothing. Let them go and do that. That time for school, I go really difficult. Maybe that 6 months transport fare and all that. But after that one, you'll begin it.
It's my own ex. Here is your way. Now you tell her to me go ahead, everybody. How can you make that?
Mama, give now. She not there again.
Okay, God is saying so low to go date then her enemy ex-boyfriend. Only or not dead yeke.
Jesus, man.
Because Izzy is so backward, Izzy allowed it to stand. Izzy allowed it to stand. I kept my cool. I didn't say a word. When they did that video about me,
why?
may they not block her. Oh. May they not block. They block the woman. Is he a manipulator? How dare you? Who are over here, Sharon? Ah, bomb.
Waiting here, bomb. When I tell insult, when can she send me a video of me insulting Mama Sharon? I really want to see the video of me insulting her. I never see her. I want to see her because you know one thing is to say something, and one thing is to get evidence. If I did it, so I can say sorry. Because that's not good. It's an error on my side if I do that. You get, no matter what, regardless of what's going on, she's not my mate. She can be my mom. You understand?
Bezia, what bell?
please, she should, Nicodemus, please, can you send me the evidence of when I was insulting Mama Sharon, so that I can please apologize to her, because it's wrong. I was not raised like that. I was not raised to insult my elders. So maybe I did that out of unknowingly. I didn't know when I did it. Maybe it happens like that. So if you have evidence, please, can you send me? Let me know so that I can apologize to her. Because why should I do that? That is not good. It's not nice, because she's no matter what, she's old enough to be my mom. Why should I be insulting her?
Who the hell are you? Who the fuck do you think you are? Izzy to the extent how this useless Izzy manipulated Sharon to go and date my own ex. Here is your way. Now you tell Sharon, say me go ahead, everybody. How can you make that?
Mama, now she not there again.
Okay, God is saying so low to go date then her enemy ex-boyfriend. Only or not dead. Because Izzy is so backward, Izzy allowed it to stand. Izzy allowed it to stand. I kept my cool. I didn't say a word. When they did that
they
video,
why?
May they not block her. Oh. May they not block. They block the woman. Izzy a manipulator. How dare you? Who are over here, Sharon? Mame. Ah, bomb Vezia. What bell? Who the hell are you? Who the fuck do you think you are? Izzy.
What are bomb here, Vezia? Vezia. Can I wear body here? Who work as a one I met you? You're river. I'm not getting now. Do me. I don't understand. Why bomb Vezia? He said she was even insulting the dead. Say she considered so low. I don't know. Considered so low. Or we only lag yeke. Hey God Almighty, oh Jesus. Amen. So is it that their thinking faculties? Well, she's the dullest of the dullest. Like when somebody she's very dull, very dull. And in fact, her dullness na Pro Max. If there's something more than Pro Max, that is what no. When the woman has nothing upstairs on her head, the only thing she knows how to do is to knock at them, shook Dido inside Wekus. According to one of her friends for Holland, he tell my late friend saying so she they use Dido everywhere for and to put juju inside Wekus. That's the only thing they know how to do. Their head is empty, very empty. This one, if prick there on top of transformer, I go collect them. You know, send provided the money come out from inside. And sometimes money not they come. The man will just say, "Don't worry, I'll send you the money." The man go do on credit. You go do on credit to say, "How much you need? You need $1 million. Don't worry. I'll tell my boy. I almost want to call one honorable boy. They all know that the man. I didn't knock. Hey God, he's not going to enter trouble. I'll say, I'll send my boy Gabriel to bring the money for you. Only guy who now like a sister guy is a teen. Let me go back to my English. After now we'll do on credit, and you tell her how much you say you need that time. You say I need $1 million now. Honorable, I need $1 million. It's okay, no problem. I will send my boy Gabriel to bring the money for you tomorrow. So no, just call me tomorrow by 7 a.m. He said, okay, are you sure? He said, no, call me by 7 a.m. I'll be there. Just call me, write me, they will send the money. 7 a.m. in the morning, sister, no, 6:30, sister don't wake up. You don't they write. Hello, baby. You know you promised me money yesterday. I'm actually getting it. And at 6:30. Baby go tell her good morning. Don't worry, you get it. 6:40, go write again. Go say, when is the person coming? When is the person go say, don't worry, you come. 6:50 go write again. 7 o'clock you go write. When you reach 8 o'clock, go they write. The honorable will not reply again. Are you there? You go call. You go say, it's like I have the boy's number. The boy will say, go send money, I have the boy's number. You go come, they laugh. You go call the boy, go say, hello, Gabriel. Honorable said he will give you money to come and give me. I will say, I've not seen Honorable this morning. I'm in Abuja. I'm not. You're in Abuja. I thought you were in Benin. No, there's a meeting we went for this morning. We're in a meeting right now in Abuja. He's in the chambers now. If we finish, we'll call you. Go say okay. So you see that, so you see that, so in the chambers we'll get somebody will call you. I'll call you back. If you after 4 p.m. that day, go call. You go call. That one no go pick up. Go call. You know, be call. You know, they go break. Go continue again. Oswald. You know, after 1 week, maybe after 1 week, Honorable come pick. Where are you? Come to the guest house. You say you can go. Oh, we will let. You come call all the friends. Thank you so much. You come call all the friends. Hey, Honorable, you don't call me. Oh, he say make I come guest house. I'm going there right now. You see, the thing go dey freak out. You call all the friends. You come you. I dey go there now. You come you. I dey go there now. You go see reach there. That one go see do again. You say no. I don't almost mention the boy name. Easy. Bless I stop this topic. I don't almost mention the boy name. God, he made small. Take one Latin. Beyond come out like this. No. Now my friends have been now. You know where be men. Now gist pass. Now where be men. Now proco. Now promas. Now where be men. Now proco. Now promas. Now where be men. So if na get friend wey be girl wey be say na dey gist well not even na dey talk. Men gist pass anybody. Na say women no dey do aproko. You see men, when men go gather, wetin men dey talk, you yourself you no go believe say na men na dey talk am. You no believe say na men na dey talk am. Men. That is why if you want to be a friend to a man, make sure say you get good record. They will value you. They don't even use you to be proud. You say that girl, no, not they do like that. They free. They love in love. I see you. They free to follow you talk. Me don't go one party. She know the party for. We go the party for Amagba. All those top men for Benin, all of them sit down for them. As she greet them, as she pass. They come ask themselves, men not get secret too. Someone say, you know her. They don't say, you know her. You don't go. One of my power wife now, she go, they look me for you now, they laugh because that day she did there too. Yes, now who be Joy? Power line. Which of the power line? That my power wife, if they look me now. That's all. Before you know it, all of them all bust laugh for the party, and she don't pass. So she don't greet them, daddy, Domo. That's she greet Lamekia all to again. Daddy Lamekia. Now she dey greet at that time. Because that time Lamekia now they ring for her mouth. Daddy Lamekia. Yes. Daddy Lamekia finish. As she pass, everybody they look themselves. Yeah, and that day I know say, as a woman, good may you get reputation. As a woman, try your best. No matter how they tolerate you, no matter how the thing they do, if they do away match, just they do away. You see your community where you they stay, no they do that kind of thing, not good. Thank you. If you don't say you be that kind, just they go Abuja, they go all those Lagos, they do. But you see, and not make I'm not saying they not be Benin men, no. You see Benin men, they know each other. All Benin men know each other. All Benin men, they know each other. 150K, you go knock am with 200K. And you carry for bundle, you know that 100 naira bundle, you just put am oh get go up big. One boy wey dey Roma, the boy dey show me 2 of them chat. The boy buy US, he buy US number. The boy dey beg me make I no go spoil in racket. Now say now I tell the boy say you now you want dey Roma where she dey date. She no know say you dey Roma now. She feel say you dey US. The boy buy US number, but na Roma na he dey. Roma na the boy dey. He buy US SIM card. Na US SIM card dey follow on the chat. When I see am, I shock. I no fit believe. I fit defend that. Say na lie. You who you be? And the boy say, Mama, na money. Oh, if I got money, anything can go. I feel run now. Hey, Yusuf, you dey TikTok? I feel run now. Say you feel run now with money. And the boy show me evidence. I open mouth. Believe me, as you just pass, all of them say, where you never. You get one power popular on alone. I don't want talking name. He said they among that day. Now chairman I feel there that day. Now one of our party do party. That's when I'm picking wedding. Now picking wedding for Magbana we go. Now those met it. My God, that day, and I tell myself, say Izzy, no matter what, get pride, not do rubbish because what we berare, what we ninyewe. Okay. Eri and what we ninyewe. Now wedding now we go. Someone they look me now. Why even write me, beg me, say make I stop this topic. Say because I dey come. May I screenshots, may I show now for my WhatsApp. He write me. He said because now me I want make the work come hard. She come want to verify whether na really US then day or Canada night then day. He write me say Izzy stop this topic, not do this topic, and you do another side. Again now when Emaya okay gbe ma so wa. They come and find me. He said, "Away my okay, the bless first screenshot. I won't even post her. And my okay, be my so what? Is it stop this topic? No, go this. No. Even from musician for Benin, many of the dog come and say, "There's a young here." Bros, no verse. So I don't know say you write me since so don't more. Don't worry, I'll call you later if I true. And the boss code, don't be lying. Hey, Salobua. Hey, I know the boss code. Now you write me say you might not do that. It's time for my to say no boss code again. I beg. Stop. That's say Salobua. We are now laugh. Say me I no boss code. Just look there. With the gist though. With the gist. Man, not even they look at that. With the gist. Then let's come. Let's leave that one. Let's come to Mrs. Ibu. Mrs. Ibu come social media, come they lie. Saying na so we carry camera the record. That's a lie. Person where they eat. I want to carry camera the record you. She actually came into the McDonald's with camera. Me they eat, even pour my food away. Now she said another glasses I get now. They break my glasses. I be she thief. I don't know. I don't see the glasses for there again. I can't go buy another one. This one be my former glasses. I buy another one. She came inside. She even tear Papa Mimi cloth. She tear in chain. She tear in cloth. If our friend they alive. Fear go let her do that thing to that man. He tear in cloth, he tear in chain, tear in t-shirt. Police see now. T-shirt. Tear in t-shirt we wear inner shirt, he tear. Children where you say you they take care of their papa. Their papa. You get the effrontery, the power to tear in shirt. They follow and fight. After you come, they say, you know that fight. You know follow and fight. I will take on tear in shirt. The shirt by itself tear. The shirt tear by himself, or you by himself tear for him body, tear the shirt, even the boy shoe self, he put the shoe come out. Not too like that slap. And because I know my friend follow me, she not record me. I thought I made record me before. He said no, you know the record. I leave her. Leave her. They'll do your brother like that. See, in anything in life, always put yourself in that position. Sorry, man, I love you too. Always put yourself in that position. You understand? That is one thing you guys don't know about me. I always put myself. See, nobody perfect for this life. Or even me, with I get many errors. You get, everybody gets. But when things don't get as it be, the only thing you look for is solution. You understand? You look for solution. Because the life too short to the fight, to the quarrel. You look for solution because at the end of it, like I said before, me now, I don't drink tea this morning. I drink tea, I eat bread, I take egg. I did a complete breakfast this morning. You understand? I did find proud Benin girl. You put on, you say proud Benin girl. Put proud. Add proud with it. Proud Benin girl. I am, yeah. I'm not denying it. Same thing with everybody with the year. All of us don't they eat whatever we like and all. But you see, children don't they feel they tell you. They will tell you everything they want. You don't even give them children. So children needs people with who love them to be around them. And who are those people? Who are the first people that loves them? Their parents. They are the first. I don't know if you guys get it. Their parents are the first. And when people were saying, "Oh, Izzy, they drag," no, I was not dragging for the children. No, because it's not possible now. For Europe, you know, if you keep on that person picking for your house, as I say, government give you. God forbid. I don't pray for anything like that to happen. No, nonsense. Don't say that. Don't say that. Next, don't say what you don't know. Don't say what you don't know. That is why people, many of you don't know things. You just jump inside because you want to talk. You feel like talking. You don't feel like talking, you just talk. Everybody, all of us are supposed to put the children first. The children should be the first people we are supposed to think about. I see a lot of people talking about why not conscience. To do visa is not easy. Do you know if he did visa? He has been doing visa since he not work. That's why I felt like maybe my friend, as he did where he did, now he make all this one fast. How many times they do visa since? The mother is aware that they have been doing visa since. She's aware. Thank you so much. She's aware. There are so many things you guys are not aware of. Visa is not what you submit to them and say they must give you. So that you go submit, they will deny you. So that's why I say some people, their thinking faculty is actually low because maybe they have not been there before. Me, I did a lot of visas before coming abroad. I did a lot of visas. I had multiples. I traveled to South Africa. I traveled to Turkey. I traveled to India. I went to a lot of places. Dubai. I have done visas. Visas are not easy. Visas are something you just do. Thank you so much, JJ Success. JJ Success. Visa is not what you do today and expect to get it tomorrow. They've been doing visas. There's an actor in our I don't want to mention his name. The actor is Papa Mimi's friend. So he himself knows they don't do visa since. He even tells some people, say, no, this brother they do visa since, so now they come out. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. But there are proofs. Even the mother is aware. There was one. Even the mama, they even give the money for the connection. Now hand, she says she get person who want to do the connection. Now she go fee do the connection for them. Now the mama not help them that time. I was aware of it. So that is why now when I see people now talking, what thing I hate pass for life now to them matter, can't they lie? Maybe now make I can't they react the way I think they react. You understand? Maybe not make me can't they react the way I can't they react because you know say when you dey know something now you come dey hear something else online the thing come dey vex you then me now me no come dey control myself I come dey even dey miss am I be human being you get they are aware so now when they not trying to change it the thing come dey make me feel like wetin dey happen why of what use is the quarrel of what use is the fight at the end of it I will not suffer anything. Now the children we know see their fatherly love now when mama not dey again